What's up, collective? I'm Eon Moon, and this is Access Unlimited. Let's just get right into this message, okay? I want to know what the good things that are coming to you, okay? What are the good things that are coming to you? Okay, so right off the bat, I see somebody wants to apologize to you, okay? They might travel toward you. Like a lot of emotions. Like I just got like attracted to this wave right here. Like this person is getting waves of regret about you, okay? These are waves of emotions. Like this person wants to say sorry, okay? Yeah, they feel like they're being divinely judged right now. They feel like their karma is, they have bad karma because of you, because of how they treated you. So I'm really getting that this person wants to make amends with you, to correct that karma, okay? And I see someone traveling towards you, or there is some travel that is about to happen for you, okay? And you're closing out cycles. Yeah, okay. Someone could be watching you. I see someone watching you, okay? And this person is looking at everything that you're doing. I'm getting that this is like everything that you said you would do. And they're in regret about this, okay? About what they did, how they treated you, okay? Yeah, because I'm getting that you're no longer an option for them. Okay. This could be a Pisces, but I do see that there could have been a third party here that interfered with this, whatever this was. But also I'm getting addictions, okay, as well. Okay. I feel that there is somebody that is going to come toward, or someone that's going to send you a message. This person could be in their emotions, and they're actually fearing doing this, okay? But they're getting waves of regret, okay? Is what I'm getting. And I've never seen this card like this before, but this is like waves of emotions, like just like thoughts of you just keep on causing this person just emotional turmoil, I'm getting, okay? But I'm seeing that you're closing out this cycle, so I'm getting that you're not gonna let that in, okay? You're not accepting it. Well, you know, you can forgive. Like I'm getting that you forgive, but you're not going back in that cycle. You're closing out that cycle. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, with this King of Cups here. This person might come toward you with some like, oh, but all the time that we spent together and like all this and that, and like, you know, try and get you like in your feelings. I feel like this person could, this person is in deep regret for doing this, okay? For being a, you know, player, okay? This person, I don't want to be a player no more. That's what I'm hearing, okay? So this person, wow. Yeah, I see this person just doing a lot of reflecting on everything that they've invested, everything that they said and then didn't, follow through with, everything that, they see you also making money. They're pocket watching you. I'm saying, okay? This person is definitely pocket watching you, and I feel like they could come towards you, okay, but they would have to travel. Like I'm getting that this person could be at a distance. Yeah, this is someone from the past. They're in deep regret. They're like, this person could be coming toward you, but I'm getting that it's like, this is good thing coming toward you because yeah, like this could be a twin flame, okay? But yeah, I see you moving on from this heartbreak. Okay, yeah. Yeah, because they've fallen back on their promises. Wow, I see something else coming in too. For some of you, you're going to get an unexpected gift from the universe, okay? And this is going to allow you to buy a new home, is what I'm getting, okay? That's amazing. Or some of you could be getting like a loan or like a mortgage or something about a house loan or something, okay? Yeah, this person, I'm just getting a lot of people are just like trying to hold on to your energy, okay? They're trying to just, I'm getting like a lot of leeching onto your energy, okay? Yeah, because you're someone who is very loyal, very kind, very nurturing, and it's like they really have a hard time finding that anywhere else. So it's like, you're one of a kind. You could also be an earth sign. What else? What else good is coming to the collective? Wow, an abundance is coming, okay? Look, I see you standing your ground. You are, okay, I'm getting that you are stepping into your power, okay? Stepping into your boss energy, okay? Yeah, wow, strength. You are about to step into your winning season, okay? I see it. Okay, so for all the feminines, I see you stepping into your power. If you're masculine and you're watching this, there is an empress in your life that is holding back, maybe from speaking to you because some of the decisions that was made, okay? But whoever this is, they're stepping into their power, okay? Also, I'm getting that you are just standing your ground. A lot of people ask things from you. A lot of people like come towards you and ask for your advice, and you're just someone that a lot of people go to. And I'm getting that where you used to be a yes person, you're going to be a no person. Like you're telling everyone no. Like you're standing your ground, and you're doing what you got to do. You're standing 10 toes down is what I'm hearing, okay? So that's beautiful. Is there anything else coming in good for the collective? A new car, okay? I am getting that. You're manifesting a new car here, okay? Wow, okay. Oh wow. You are about to get a new car. I'm getting that this is going to be a gift from someone that loves you, okay? This is also, you are succeeding at something here. You're putting yourself out there, and I see recognition and reward here, okay? Like there's something big that's about to happen for you, okay? If you are putting yourself out there, okay, I'm getting you're gonna get some good news here, okay? This is somebody that is going to email you, message you, something like that, okay? This is going to be good news in regards to your recognition, okay? Like you are succeeding at something here. Very intuitive. I'm getting your intuitive abilities are increasing, your psychic abilities. You are getting new gifts. You could be oh, okay. Wow. This bird is significant here. This dove. I'm getting that you are being gifted with supernatural abilities, okay? I'm getting animals are very significant, okay? This is because of your love, your love for the whole world, in nature, okay? I'm getting this is Mother Nature, okay, that has chosen you, okay, to receive this gift. And that's, wow. This is Mother Nature that has decided to gift you with this love, this expansion, okay? I'm getting soul growth, soul expansion. You are becoming more and more tapped in every day, okay? This is love from the universe, okay? I'm getting that you keep on passing these tests. There are tests that the universe is putting you through, and I'm getting that you are passing every single test with flying colors. Do you see that? You're breaking through barriers and you are leveling up consistently. You could have lotus tattoos, or maybe one. I'm getting that, wow. This is literally the universe giving you this gift. This is literally Mother Nature. Like, this, wow. It's like Mother Nature and Father Sky agreed that you deserve this. That you deserve this gift. And 1333 as I say that. That's amazing. Whatever you're doing, this could be a transportation, something about transportation here, okay? I do see that you're getting a new car. I just heard electric, okay? But I see that, okay, I also see that you're gonna be like showing it off, but this is because of some sort of good news that you're receiving here, okay? You're receiving some sort of abundance, some financial windfall here with this Empress card. Okay. Some of you could even be getting pregnant, but that's just for a few of you. Okay, not everybody. That's not for everybody. So, wow. You're winning. Okay. Keep going. You're doing amazing. I love you guys. Until next time. Bye.